Hello, Tower American 1892, visual for 18 right.
American 1892, DF Tower, 18 right, short and clear to land with 0904.
Alright, clear to land, 18 right, American 1892.
All the departures waiting, 18 left closed just for a short time. They're searching for a bird strike on the runway. American 1892, just verify you're correcting for runway 18 right.
Yeah, that's it for American 1892.
American 1892, go around, runway 18 left.
American 1892, go around. American 1892, go around.
Going around, American 1892.
American 1892, turn right, hit him 190 and maintain 2000.
190, 2000, American 1892.
American 1892, contact departure on 135.57.
13557, American 1892.
3597.
3597, American 1892. Approach American 18 at 92, 45.